Our topic is to transform rational algebraic equations to quadratic equation in standard form. Number 1. X times the quantity of x minus 4 equals 12. Okay, so the first step is to distribute x. So x times x is x squared. Then x times negative 4 is negative 4x equals 12. Okay, and then i-rewrite natin into standard form. Okay, so rewrite x squared minus 4x. Then the standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So yung x squared minus 4x equate natin sa 0, and then yung 12 ilipat natin sa may left side. Okay, so pwede natin gamitin yung addition property of equality, but this time shortcut ang gagawin ko. So pag naglilipat ako, or kung ililipat natin yung 12, positive 12 magiging negative 12. Mapapalitan yung sign. Okay, so now we have the equation x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. Okay, next number 2. The square of x plus 3 plus the square of x minus 2 equals 8. Okay, so since naka-square yung x plus 3, meaning dalawang beses nating ita-times ang x plus 3. So we have now x plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, plus, okay, naka-square din ang x minus 2. So, times natin ng dalawang beses. So, the quantity of x minus 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. Then, equate natin sa 8. Okay, the next step is to multiply. Okay, so gagamitin ko yung distributive property. So, x times x equals x squared. Then, x times 3 equals 3x. Then, 3 times x equals 3x. And 3 times 3 equals 9. Okay, plus the quantity of x minus 2 times x minus 2. So, x times x is x squared. Then, x times negative 2 is negative 2x. Then, negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Then, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And then, equate natin sa 8 equal to 8. Okay, the next step is to combine like terms. Pagsasama-samahin natin yung same variable at saka same exponent. Okay, so let's start. X squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. Okay, i-rewrite muna natin yung x squared and then i-combine natin or i-add natin yung 3x at saka 3x. So, 3x plus 3x is 6x, then plus 9. Okay, next, plus, okay, i-rewrite natin yung x squared and then negative 2x plus negative 2x is negative 4x plus 4 and then equal sa 8. Okay? And then, simplify. We combine like terms. We combine x squared. So, now we have x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. Okay? And then, we also combine 6x and negative 4x. 6x plus negative 4x is positive 2x. Then, we combine constant 9 and 4. So, 9 plus 4 is 13. Positive 13. And then, equate to 8. Okay, next, 2x squared plus 2x plus 13 equals 8. Gagawin nating standard form. We have now 2x squared plus 2x plus 13. And then, i-equate natin sa 0. So, ililipat natin yung 8 doon sa may left side. And then, positive 8 magiging negative 8. Papalitan natin yung sign. Okay? So, 2x square plus 2x plus 13 minus 8 is 5 equals 0. Okay, so now naka-standard form na yung equation natin into the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, so we have now the standard form. Okay, next number 3. 4 over x plus x minus 2 over 3 equals 5. Okay, so first step is kukunin natin yung LCM ng x and 3. So the answer is 3x, yung denominator. Okay, pinagsama lang or minultiply yung denominator. Okay, yung LCM na 3x, imumultiply natin siya both left and right side of the equation. And then, 3x times natin sa numerator na 4 over x plus 3x times natin sa numerator na x minus 2. So, we have now 3x times x minus 2 over 3. Then, equals yung 3x times natin sa 5. So, 3 times 5 is 15. So, 15x. Okay, then simplify natin. Cancel natin yung x. So, natira is 3 and 4 times natin. 3 times 4 is 12. And then, we can cancel 3. Then, ang natira ay x. So, i-distribute natin. So, x times x is x squared. Then, x times negative 2, negative 2x. Then, equal sa 15x. Okay, and then gagawin na nating standard form. So, 12 plus x squared minus 2x equals 15x. Equate natin sa 0. So, ililipat natin yung 15x sa left side. So, 12 plus x squared minus 2x. Pag nilipat natin yung positive 15x, magbabago yung sign, magiging negative 15x. Then, equal sa 0. And then, iaayos lang natin siya. So, we have the standard form of the equation. We have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then, the next step is sundan natin yung standard form ng equation. So, we have ax squared and then combine natin yung negative 2x at saka negative 15x. So, negative 2x plus negative 15x is negative 17x plus the constant 12 and then equal to 0. And now we have the standard form of the equation x squared minus 17x plus 12 equals 0. Okay, next we have another example. Example number 4. So, x plus 4 over x minus 3 equals 1 plus 2x over x minus 3. Okay. So, paano natin gagawin? Paano natin ita-transform sa quadratic equation into standard form? Okay. So, kukunin natin ang LCM. Ang LCM natin, which is yung LCD niya is x minus 3 or yung denominator. Okay. So, i-multiply natin yun both left and right side of the equation. Then, ita-times natin yung x minus 3 times sa numerator na x. Okay? Plus, yung x minus 3, ita-times natin sa numerator na 4. Then, i-over natin siya sa x minus 3. Since ang denominator ng 4 ay x minus 3. Equals 1 times x minus 3 is x minus 3. Okay, then, plus x minus 3 times 2x is x minus 3 times 2x. Then, i-over natin siya sa denominator which is x minus 3. Okay, since yan yung denominator ng 2x. Okay, sunod, isi-simplify natin. Okay, so distributive property, x times x is x square. Then, negative 3 times x is negative 3x plus. So, x minus 3 times 4 over x minus 3. So, pwede na natin i-cancel ang x minus 3. Therefore, we have now 4 equals x minus 3 plus. Okay, x minus 3. So, pwede nang i-cancel. Then, now we have 2x. Okay, so we have now the equation x squared minus 3x plus 4 equals x minus 3 plus 2x. And then, isi-simplify na natin sa standard form which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, again, ang equation natin is x squared minus 3x plus 4 equals x minus 3 plus 2x. Okay, so sisimplify natin. Ilalagay natin lahat ng nasa right side na equation sa left side. Okay, transpose natin yung x. Positive x magiging negative x. Yung negative 3 magiging positive 3. Then, yung positive 2x magiging negative 2x. Okay? So, pag nagtatranspose tayo, naglilipat, nag-change ang sign. Then, equate natin sa 0. Okay, simplify natin yung result by combining like terms. So, we will write x squared. And then, we combine negative 3x, negative x, at negative 2x. So, since pare-pareho ng sign, i-add natin. So, the answer is negative 6x. And then, combine natin yung constant 4 and 3. So, 4 plus 3 is 7. Then, equate sa 0. So, now we have the standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, so next, we have another example, number 5. Okay, 3x squared over 2 plus 2x over 5 equals 6. Okay, so kukunin muna natin yung LCM which is 2 and 5. The LCM, the least common multiple of 2 and 5 is 10. So, yun yung i-multiply natin both sides of the equation. Okay, so we multiply 10 times the numerator 3x squared over 2 plus 10 times the numerator 2x. So we have 10 times 2x over 5. The denominator 5 equals 6 times 10 is 60. Okay, next step. 10 times 3 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. So I have 15x squared. 10 times 2 is 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So, we have 4x equals 60. So, hindi pa siya naka-standard form. So, change natin to standard form. So, lilipat natin yung 60 sa may left side ng equation at equate natin sa 0. Then, 15x squared plus 4x minus 60. Yung positive 60 naging negative 60 dahil naglipat tayo. Okay, nag-transpose tayo. Okay, next, number 6. 2 over x plus 5 over 4x. Okay, equals x minus 3. Okay, so kukunin uli natin yung LCM or the least common multiple which is 4x. So, i-multiply natin siya both left and right side of the equation ng 4x. Okay, so 4x times 2 over x plus 4x times 5 over 4x. Okay, equals 4x times x. Okay, minus negative 3 times 4x. Okay, next, simplify 4x times 2 divided by x. So, ika-cancel na natin yung x. So, 4 times 2 is 8. Plus, 4x cancel. Cancel 4. Cancel x. And then, we have 5 equals 4x times x is 4x square. Then, negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. Okay, and then, isi-simplify natin ang equation. 8 plus 5 equals 4x squared minus 12x. Gagawin natin standard form. Okay, into the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, 8 plus 5 is 13 equals 4x squared minus 12x. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, since nasa right side ang mga variables, lilipat natin yung 13 sa my right side. So, 4x squared minus 12x. And then, change natin yung sign ng 13. So, gagawin natin negative 13. Then, equate natin sa 0. Or, pwede nating iayos. You have 4x squared minus 12x minus 13. Okay? Equals 0. Now, it is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, so that is how to transform a rational algebraic equation to quadratic equation in standard form. For now, thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit my YouTube channel, Matish, and then click playlist. Okay, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.